Good afternoon, children. Now, image formation by convex mirror. How the image is formed by convex mirror. First case, when an object is kept at infinity, object आपका infinity में रखा है. मान लीजिए ये every object है very far. यहाँ से बहुत सारी rays चल रही हैं, but we have drawn only those rays which will solve our problem. One ray of light is coming here. It strikes the mirror at this point. After reflection going in this direction, it appears as it is coming from the focus. Another ray of light is coming on the principal axis. After reflection going back on the same track. Another ray of light starts from point B and strikes the mirror at this point. After reflection going in this direction, it appears as it is coming from the focus. So at the focus, image is formed. This image is just like a point image. It is virtual, erect, and behind the mirror. Now see what we have written. An object AB is kept at infinity. Infinity पर object रखा है. Rays are coming parallel to principal axis. After reflection from the mirror, moving in different direction. These rays are coming incident on the mirror, and after reflection, they are going in different direction. This way, and this way. M dash is the mirror. This is the pole, focus, and center curvature. After reflection from the mirror moving in different directions, it appears as they are coming from the focus. ऐसा महसूस होता है ये सारी रेज फोकस से आ रही हैं. So image is formed at focus. यहाँ इमेज बन रही है very small in size. जो साइज इमेज का बहुत छोटा है. Straight इमेज सीधी बनेगी. Behind the mirror बैक साइड बनेगी and virtual image होगी. Thank you.